Hello there, I am Jasper and today I am going to demonstrate a Python script that can be used to get your Reddit karma. I'll be using the urllib library. You can install this by going pip3 install urllib3. Run that and it will install urllib3, version 3 because we're on Python version 3. I already have it installed, so don't need to do that, but I thought I'd demonstrate it. So now we need to import URL open from that. So from urllib dot request import, can't type today, URL open as request. That's our first library. We'll also need to be importing re. Re is pre-built into Python, so you need to install it. RE stands for regular expressions, which is how we use regex in Python. So now we need to get our Reddit URL. You need to have a Reddit account there to get the karma of. So it's this part of the URL is the bit that we want. So we just paste it in there. It's all good. Now we need to set up a client. Again, can't type today. Client equals, really can't type today. Request URL, so URL in the brackets there, so let's passing that through. We now need to make that HTML. So we'll call that page underscore HTML equals client dot read. So what that does is that reads the request as HTML, and it's that. We now need to close the client. There, you should always close your clients. Now for the regex part, we need to create a variable called pattern. I am going to copy and paste this over because I've done about 4 takes now and I cannot seem to type this. So that is the pattern that we need. Backslash, quotation, total karma, capital K for karma, another backslash, quotation marks, colon, open brackets, dot, star, question mark, close brackets, comma. Don't know why I struggled typing that so many times, but I did. Now we can create another variable called result. Apply the regex using our re library. We can find all, apply a pattern, and we need to apply it on the string of page HTML. Now this returns an array, so we need to get the 0th or first element of the array, because you all know arrays start at 0. Now we can print the output, but you could also return it if you wanted this to be a function, but I don't. I just want this to be a standard thing for the demo. We can now run this using Python 3. I've named mine karma demo. Whatever you named yours will have to run here. It's a .py file. You can run that. It will take some time because my internet's crap. It seems to be taking a long time, but there we go. 59,658 karma. Thank you very much for watching.